Oh, at the landing.
Give me a lifeline.
Just waiting
You
to
want
be
to snipe those guys?
Sure.
Putting up some amp cover.
Headshot.
Nice, nice.
Confirmed hit on target. Reloading.
Amp cover's getting backed up. Putting up some amp cover. We're inside the
Knocked down.
We can all go
A knockdown lifeline.
Nice, nice.
Good effect on target. Tango down. Reloading.
We have no way to get there quickly.
No, we don't. There's a squad here.
Oh, okay. I can't see him.
Tossing up some amp cover. Reaching up.
Right here.
Got company out there.
Okay. Is that about to be outside the ring? Not quite.
On the edge. That's a mirage.
Damn.
Everyone gets a bullet.
You do that. You do that. I'm gonna go that way.
Where?
I'm going straight ahead. Yeah, you just keep doing that.
Okay.
We're inside the ring.
Oh, what's wrong? Lacking in the winning department?
Blew the door up.
Did you reload? Reload.
Replicator touching down.
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Light him up. He's in there.
Can't really get it through the rock in the
On the
way.
roof.
This is my...
In fact,
Okay, it's a mirage and a pathfinder.
Charging my shields.
I'm backing up. He's right here.
okay. I see him.
Arc star out.
We got company.
Behind that rock.
Amp
They're
cover
both
for
behind
your
that
mates.
rock. They're both behind that rock. Here comes Pathfinder. They're right behind my rock.
Reloading.
Got one. Good job.
Enemy taken down.
Got gold shield. On your right. On your right.
Oh, the other guy's gold shield?
Yeah. He's not reviving. There's another squad. Kill the mirage. There's another squad. There's another squad. Come get me. I'm about to die. You're being pushed on the left.
Mirage. Oh, shit.
Got our mate's banner.
Sorry.
Oh well. It's okay. There's another squad.
Fuck you!
Putting up some amp cover.
You got the one squad. That's cool.
10 seconds on the clock. Easy.
You got my banner. That's good.
Yeah.
Charging my shields.
Let's see. Where should we go? Nowhere. Okay. There's nowhere to go.
Ah!
Get back. Get back.
Charging my shields. Grenade, watch it.
Auto reload, baby.
Ha 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 ha.
Squad down.
Did you get the 2 kills for that?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Chill out. Batteries. Heal up. Get fresh. Comb your hair.
Give me a sec.
I need ammo.
Giving my shields a
Listen,
recharge.
I beat the game when you were dead. Now you need to beat the game when I'm dead.
You didn't have to kill anybody when I was dead.
I had to kill people to make you undead.
Oh, yeah. Should I use that?
No. What is that? For crafting ammo?
Yeah.
You're crazy.
I know.
Octane.
1 minute to get in space. Sometimes things take
Oh, that
so
would have been
low.
sweet.
I don't have enough ammo for this.
Craft.
10 more seconds. Rings close. Getting more of the apple core. Tossing up some amp cover.
Invincible crafting!
Alright, inside the ring. Let the kills come to me.
Here they come. I think they got you. Right there, right there. That was actually a really smart idea. That's the wrong gun for that because by the time it spins up, they're gonna duck down again.
Right. I need an energy mag though, and I can't afford it. Damn it.
Did you get all the ammo that you made?
Yeah.
I thought you missed one.
I missed, okay, I missed one. Next more. One more.
Do you have any grenades?
Nope.
They're getting shot at down there. Go fuck them up from behind.
Oh, no, they're not. Fuck you.
1 minute and the recharge. Giving my shields a recharge.
Ah.
Sorry. It sounded like they were.
Still 5 squads left. Give me ideas.
Give me bad ideas. Shut up.